We quite often get feedback from sellers saying that the photography is out of this world. Sellers are always really impressed when we get the camera out the bag. They don't believe that we can do the virtual tour, floor plan and photography all in one. Since the management buyout, Sean and I have been really busy in terms of growing the business. Giraffe360 has definitely been a contributor to our record-breaking months. We're trading in a higher price bracket now from using Giraffe for the last 4 years.
Giraffe360 has impacted my business by meaning that me and my team have more time to speak to customers. It means my details and my adverts are a lot more interesting to look at, and it means we're getting a quicker result and a better result for all of my customers.
As an estate agency, we're really proactive. The synergy with Giraffe360 is such that they cover all the reactive side of the business in terms of photography, floor plan, virtual tours, when we can do what's best, be really proactive, on the front foot and sell houses. The efficiency has really improved by using Giraffe360. With AI editing, we can list a property from start to finish within 60 minutes. If you need to make any amendments, you can do so easily on the dashboard. The virtual tours are fantastic for clients moving up from London. Clients are able to have a good look around a property via the virtual tour before coming to physically view. So our viewing to sale ratios are massively improved using the product. There's other products available out there on the market, but we found that Giraffe really set us apart.